Oh, there we go.
Here.
Oh wait, what does he say? Bone cage?
He is saying Otsu Keiji, which in Japanese translates to bone cage, yes.
That's so cool. What's a cage?
What's that thing that Sasuke has?
It's called a Susanoo. That's entirely why
A
I made him say
Susanoo.
it in Japanese. I just made his whole character an anime reference, so his... Hold on, listen to his summon that's about to pop up for you.
Dude, this is sick.
Personally, I think I slayed that shit. I'm just saying.